So now that you've read about the different organelles, let's talk about the specific things you need to know for the admission exams when it comes to the nucleus. So as I said, the first organelle that we are going to talk about in the eukaryotic cell is the nucleus. And the nucleus, the first thing that you need to know, is composed of two membranes. So bounded by two membranes, the inner membrane and the outer membrane. The outer membrane is continuous with an organelle called the endoplasmic reticulum, which we are going to study in the next video. Another very important thing to know is that the nucleus envelope is very, very selective to the things that can go in and out. Because if you think about it, we really want to keep the genetic material safe inside the nucleus in order to prevent errors and mutations. So we want to keep the genetic material safe. Therefore, we have something very interesting called the nuclear pores. And the nuclear pores are proteins, channel proteins, that go through both of the membrane. So it goes through the inner and the outer membrane. And the pores are extremely selective, highly selective. And they go through the top and the bottom, both the outer and the inner membrane, which is very high yield fact to know. Now, we talked about the nucleolus as the area that you create the rRNA, the ribosomal RNA. So the nucleolus is the center of the chromosomes of the genetic material inside the cell, and it's very compact, and it's the place that we create ribosomes inside the cell. So, ribosome production. And you can see all around the chromatin, which we already talked about. And something very nice to know is that the cytoplasm is the watery gel-like environment that we have outside of the nucleus. But inside the nucleus, we call the cytoplasm, inside the nucleus, we call it nucleoplasm. I hope this video made sense, and this is basically what you need to know about the nucleus itself. We have 1, double membrane, 2, an area called the ribosomal RNA, the nucleolus, which produces ribosomal RNA, 3, the nuclear pores, which are highly selective for very specific things to go in and out the nucleus. And the last one would be the outer membrane is continuous with the endoplasmic reticulum, which we are going to keep studying in the next video.